Hello students, in today's class we'll talk about single inheritance in detail. We discussed about inheritance and different types of inheritance in the previous sessions. Now in this session we'll talk about only single inheritance. We talked about different types of inheritance in previous sessions. Now we'll see only single inheritance, like what is single inheritance? How is data accepted from the previous, like from the parent class into the child class? We will see it now. Here, when we have a class A, when I have a class A as a parent class, a child class B can be can be inherited from the parent class, and the best part here is I can reuse the code. For example, I have a method show in the parent class, then the child class also can use the same method without writing it again. That means we are reusing the code here. You are reusing the code. The simple concept of inheritance is to reuse the code. That is the simple concept here. We'll see the same in a code form. Here we'll write the C++ program here, like hash include iostream.h, then we have conio.h, hash include conio.h. Now I'm going to create a class. I'm going to create a parent class. Let the class name be class A as we have taken here. So class A. Now let us suppose that class A have a method in it, in the public section of it. So public void show. Okay, then what is it going to do here? What is it going to do? So actually you can write it like this: void show. Now what is this show going to do? Show is simply displaying something on the screen. Okay, let us think that it is going to display a simple message like hello from parent. Hello from parent, right? So whenever the show method is called, it will simply display hello from parent and it will keep going, right? Now this method is only up to there. Now I'm going to create, this is over. Now I'm going to create a class B. So class B. Now what did I say? Class B is going to be inherited from class A. I repeat, class B is going to be inherited from class A. So how do we do that? Now public A. Simple. Okay. So class B is already existing class. As we have seen in the syntax how to inherit a child class from an existing class or from a parent class. This is my child class and class A is the parent class, and in which visibility mode am I accepting it? I am taking it in public mode, right? Now here I am not going to create any object for class A, that is I'm not going to create any object for the parent class, but I'm creating an object for the child class. See here, my child class name is B. Just a minute. So I'm not writing any code here. That is, in class B I don't have any code of its own, right? So what is the concept here? Whatever is there in A should be used by B. That's it. So just it have a opening and closing braces. That's it. Now inside the main section, like let us write it here. Inside the main section, now I'm not going to create an object for A, but I'm going to create an object for B. So B. So B, let the object name be obj. So the class B have an object obj now. Now what am I doing is, by using the child class object, I'm trying to access the parent class method. Okay, so obj dot show. Okay, now if we execute this code, not here, get ch and return 0. Right? Now with this what happens is, what did I do here? The main thing is here. Here I did not write any code for B. If you want, you may write it as well. You can write it. That's not a big thing. But as of now, no, I don't want to write anything. I have simply written the code inside the parent class. Inside the parent class, my code is here. I have written some methods. If you want, you may even write some data also. You may make some calculations, etc., etc. I just wanted to simply demonstrate how the single inheritance is. That's it. That is the reason why I have taken a simple example. So here I have taken a method. This method belongs to the parent class A. Now, after that, I have inherited the child class from the parent class using this syntax. Okay, and I have inherited in public visibility mode. Then coming to the main section, inside the main section I have created an object for the child class, not for the parent class. I have created object for the child class but not for the parent class. My child class name is B and B obj. I have created an object. Now my object name is obj. Okay, now using this object I am trying to access the parent class a method which can be accessed, and in this case the output will be hello from parent. So in this case here the output will be, when I call show method, the control will pass here, and what is there here in show method? Hello from parent. So that will be the output of this complete program. I hope you understood this one. The concept is pretty simple. Whatever is there in the parent class can be accessed by the child class. Nothing but you are reusing the code which is written inside the parent class, which is written in the parent class by the child class. So the child class is able to use the contents of the or the features of the parent class. Simple thing is reusability of code is done here, and in this case we have only one parent class and one child class. This is a very simple concept of single inheritance. Hope you understood it. Thank you.